quite
Send this report to the Ministry of
impressed.
Civil Affairs and have them delegate each of the tasks on the list to the appropriate departments.
Okay.
Also, be sure to tell them that though the lantern rite may be complicated, everything must be done properly.
Where are these two again?
As always, there will be a variety of activities taking place. Oh, but there is one of particular interest. The Ministry of Civil Affairs is planning a fireworks show this year. It should certainly be worth your time. Releasing
Weren't
the
there
lanterns
fireworks
has
last
always
year?
been at the heart of the lantern rite.
No,
But
it was
with all that has
lanterns,
occurred
right?
in the
Fireworks? But we've already seen fireworks in other places before.
But our fireworks were cooler.
Special about the fireworks in Liyue?
Fireworks were originally developed alongside many other inventions here in Liyue. When our ancestors first created fireworks, they
Rip
were
your
originally
Mia.
known. We made improvements to firecrackers and began setting them off during the Lantern Rite to commemorate the tenacious spirit of our ancestors.
I swear, didn't we have fireworks last year?
Everything has so much history in Liyue.
Yeah, but
As I'm sure
that
you
bald
already
guy
know,
back there
everything on
has
this
some
planet
history as
relates
well.
his-
Look at me something dumb. I went to a barber shop
I've left Keqing in charge
and
of
I
the
got a
fireworks.
haircut.
If you're interested, why don't we pay her a visit together?
Oh! Bye bye, traveler. And your me is here. And nothing of value was lost.
We need to add a few more locations for launching
It's
fireworks.
catching.
The show has to be visible all across Liyue,
Everyone's a
not just in the
waifu.
city. They celebrate Lantern Rite
Did you know
each
she's
Thursday
getting a new
night.
skin?
Lady Keqing, what about our budget?
The
No
budget
one
is
cares.
exactly what it's meant to
Buy
be.
me a new
If the
skin.
If you think the current budget will not suffice, then we'll simply have to apply for more funding from the Ministry of Civil Affairs and wait for their approval.
It is
Our
interesting to
aim is
think that
organize
Ningguang gets a free
memorable
outfit.
Lantern Rite. The budget is there
It's
to
still so weird that
facilitate
Ningguang's a
planning.
4-star.
We mustn't Oh, it's Ningguang.
Oh hey, it's
the Traveler.
Ningguang. Did you know she has a skin? What the? Why
Are
did
you here for the Lantern Rite? Your timing couldn't be any better. The preparations
why did we
are
walk
almost
up to her
complete.
and the screen goes black?
Yes, Lady Keqing. Don't worry.
Good.
Lady Keqing,
Ningguang,
not catching,
Traveler,
like
goodbye
Ka-chow.
now.
Did you know she has a skin?
Please, excuse me,
Yo,
Lady Ningguang.
Oh, he was a pervert.
And,
Taking
I must
a
get
nice
going.
shot of Pengu.
Lady Keqing,
Here a harbor in the hands of mortals. We Keqing have taken up the responsibility of leading the people. We have taken charge of many
Oh yeah,
vital
didn't we
tasks
find
in
like
various
Osail's
sectors, and we are
wife?
responsible for
I still
planning
can't
and
believe he has a
organizing all
wife.
I've tried talking to her, but you know how she is. She uses her wit to talk circles around anyone.
What? Weren't we just saying how she like barely talks?
Traveler,
How she
you are quite close to
does she just like walk around them and just leave?
Water. I'll leave Keqing in your capable hands.
Keqing, Keqing, Keqing. Kinda Keqing. Ningguang leaves.
Are you sure you can really persuade Keqing to take a break?
I'm glad catching Keqing was able to have a walk animation to leave when Ningguang. Nah. Black screen. Text. Ugh. Screw you, Paimon.
How does she feel deep down inside?
Duh.
Uh,
You gotta make a comeback, I think.
maybe. We could ask a friend.
Zhang Li.
You know, someone more knowledgeable about these things.
Yeah, I'm supposed to find Zhang Li.
Zhang Li?
Probably in like some box or something. Or Fu Tao. I forgot he works for Fu Tao.
There's no arguing that.
How does he not? Oh
Zhang
yeah.
Li
I
is
was gonna say, how does he not have money if he has a job? I kind of remember Fu Tao kind of sucks at her job as well.
Let's go see if he's there.
Dun. Never saying. No.
Hello.
What?
How may Yum yum yum. Ooh, I am
Hey,
so
she only said
full.
yum once.
Not another bite.
Deducting points from this game. Just translating.
You go wild guess.
So,
here for the lantern rites.
Isn't that pretty obvious? Anybody could have guessed that.
Why is Paimon so mean? She said duh to me earlier. I still haven't financially recovered.
Now then, traveler, what brings you to see me today?
I actually forget why did we come to see him?
I knew you'd understand what to do. Well done.
We're gonna find her family and
Go collect some
blackmail her.
source materials for your story.
Thanks, Xiangling.
Of course, once we have formulated the plot, you can tell the story to the Yuan.
Huh? Me?
You are on
Don't you know
amiable
I'm the main
terms,
character where I don't say
which makes
any
you the natural
lines
hero.
unless there's a crucial plot moment in the story?
Oh, I see. My apologies. I appear to have interrupted your conversation with Mr. Xiangling.
Yeah, we were having a nice conversation about blackmailing your family, Keqing.
Are you sure looking for us?
Yes. Speaking of which, Mr. Zhongli, the fireworks show will be particularly exciting this year. Please, don't miss it.
Don't worry, he will.
Yes.
He's probably gonna be outside
you
in
for
his
your
cardboard
kind
box
reminder.
house. There she goes.
And there she goes.
You kidding me? You make fun of me and now you copy me? How
That's
low
the
will
Yuan.
Paimon go?
Effic-
To be continued. Oh, he's still there. He's probably racking up Jingling's tab. What the heck, Zhongli?
Once you've collected enough story material, we can meet here again and discuss things further.
He's definitely racking up Jingling's tab. She's gonna be broke. She's gonna be the next one in the box.